Alright, well, I'm starting to work on a secret bookshelf door. This is the first day's worth of work. I've taken out the door, the original door, and I've installed a bookshelf. I finished the sides, the top, and the back. All I need on the bottom is a piece of molding to cover up that hole to make it look like a real bookshelf. Just like my other videos, I am going to have this wired up with an electromagnetic lock, and I'm going to have a wireless keypad which will open up the door automatically. I've wired it up now just for a test, just to show you. Here's my wireless keypad. If I enter in the right code, the door will actually open up on its own. Of course, the door right now doesn't open up all the way because I need to tweak it. However, if we go inside, it leads down to my basement. If we go inside, I can show you the basic structure of what is going on here. The bookshelf is on wheels, which is good. I've installed all the hinges on one side. And on the top of this unit, I have a motor which controls the automatic door opener, and my electromagnetic lock all the way on this side. Now, if I enter in the correct close command, it will actually close and lock automatically. As you can see, I am tugging on it and it doesn't open. However, from this angle, if I enter in the right code, it will open up. And so far that's it. Hopefully I'll have more updates soon with shelves and have this whole thing painted, and hopefully it'll open up all the way. In the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this video.